Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an alternator on a Dodge Journey. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical shorts. Next, gather all your essential tools, including a serpentine belt tool and a socket set, to ensure a smooth process. Always make sure the engine is completely cool before you begin, as hot components can cause burns. This preparation step is crucial for a safe and efficient repair. Now, let's get to removing the old alternator. Begin by using your serpentine belt tool to release the tension on the belt, then carefully slide it off the alternator pulley. Next, you'll need to disconnect all electrical connections, including the main power wire and any smaller sensor wires. After that, unbolt the alternator from its mounting brackets. With the bolts removed, you can gently maneuver the old unit out of the engine bay. With the old alternator out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully place the new alternator into its designated mounting brackets, ensuring it aligns properly. Once in place, secure it firmly with the mounting bolts, tightening them to the manufacturer's specifications. Reconnect all electrical wires, making sure each connection is snug and secure. Finally, route the serpentine belt back onto the alternator pulley and release the tensioner. You're almost done. The final steps involve reconnecting the negative battery terminal, ensuring it's tight and secure. Then, start your Dodge Journey's engine and observe the dashboard for any battery warning lights. Use a multimeter to check the charging voltage, which should typically be around 13.5 to 14.5 volts. Listen carefully for any unusual noises or belt squeaks, indicating a potential issue. A successful test means you've completed the replacement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.